In 1997, Ammar al-Badani was sent by the Yemeni government to study in China. He obtained a doctoral degree in clinical medicine at Zhejiang University and has been a doctor in Yiwu, East China's Zhejiang province, for over 8 years. Known as China's small commodity hub, Yiwu attracts more and more foreign businessmen to find their fortune. Ammar set up an international outpatient clinic dedicated to serving foreigners in Yiwu.
无论是长期生活在义乌的外籍人士以及他们的家属也好，或者短期来义乌采购商品的一些外国人也罢，他们难免的在这里会出现一些健康方面的问题。得知我们在这里有国际门诊，现在这些问题都可以给他们一一解决。
As compared to other hospitals, communication is very difficult because our Chinese language skill is not so good. But when we came here, the doctor is very careful and very helpful because he can speak English.
义乌是一个国际化的城市，来我们医院就诊的国际友人，以前他来我们医院的就诊的时候，都需要携带一名翻译过来。自从阿马尔的医生来了以后，他们都自己找阿马尔的医生看病。
Ammar says that Yiwu is an international, open, and inclusive city. He has long regarded it as his second home, a place where he can realize his dream.
我高中毕业就来了，在中国的时间也应该有20年有余了。我想我在中国度过的时间，应该是比在我自己的国家度过的时间还要多。我是中国培养出来的，所以我经常跟我的朋友们也讲，其实我的一半是中国制造的。我肯定会继续做下去，帮助其他人，帮助更多的人。这是我义不容辞的责任。